Okay, I want to show that I can cook, at least a little bit. Preheat the oven 400 degrees for roughly about 10 minutes. I got the clock here. And then I'm doing a creamy Parmesan chicken pot pie from Marie Callender's. That's what I'm doing. Yeah. Okay. My pan here. And my mitten. And let's see here. It's read the instructions. Preheat oven to 400. Remove pot pie from outer carton. Leave pot pie in paper tray. Wrap crust edge with a strip of aluminum foil. I say aluminum because I was raised in the 60s and 70s. And that's how we did it back then. Pronounce words a certain way. But it doesn't always stay the same over 40, 50 years or so. Alright, so let's see here. Alright. And aluminum foil. That's the outer edges. While this is preheating. And we got a little puppy. A puppy and a kitty. We're learning how to behave in the bedroom. Little puppy. This is like too much aluminum foil. But oh well. It's okay. Outer edges. Okay. It's okay, I can get more. Following instructions. That's what we're supposed to do. Follow. Cooking instructions. See, I don't want people thinking, gee, Susan can't cook. She don't know anything. She just eats out all the time. She eats fast food all the time. No, I can cook. Yeah. It's, as long as I can do it, I'll do it. Okay. But if it's something too complicated, no. Okay. Leave pot pie in paper tray. Cook on baking sheet. 60 to 65 minutes. And I've got this as well. This little thermometer thing here. Make sure that it's the right temperature. Now, I'm certainly not like one of those TV shows or one of those, what do they call it? Social media chefs. I'm just home chef. And it's hot in here. 400 degrees in Popeye. I would call it garden. With a tray. Cook on baking sheet for 60 to 65 minutes. Okay, it should come up at 165 degrees. Still waiting for the oven to preheat. babies. Okay. Just a minute. Okay, the oven's been preheating for 10 minutes. No, puppy, no. No, puppy, no. I'm putting it in the middle rack. Ouch. No, honey. And going to bake it for 60 to 65 minutes. So I'm going to set the alarm on my phone here. All right.